Okay, so in the previous video, I showed you how you can use Booth's algorithm for positive values. So what if you have negative values? So let's say, for example, you have -3 and 6 here, and you want to multiply these values. So -3 times 6 is -18. Now, -3 is the multiplicand and 6 is the multiplier. Okay, so same thing, you're gonna like create a table here, steps, iteration, product, L, and description. Okay, so first off, let's see the binary values. So for the binary value of 6, it's 0 1 1 0. Now for the binary value of -3, you're gonna have to like find out the ones complement. Here like -3 is like basically 1 1 0 1. So if you want to find out the positive value of 3, so 1 1 0 1, and just two's complemented, so 0 0 1 0 plus 1, so 1 1 0 0. So this is 3. Okay, so for step 0, this will be iteration 0. Basically you're just gonna like initialize this thing, so it's gonna be 0 here. Now the first 4 bits is gonna be 0 0 0 0, and the last 4 bits will be the multiplier, so 0 1 1 0. Now for step 1, you're gonna iterate this. So iterate 1.00, these two values, 1.00, and you're gonna like do nothing because 0 0 does nothing. So again, like if it's 0 0 or 1 1, then you'll do nothing. If it's 0 1, then you're gonna do addition, and for 1 0, you're gonna do subtraction. Okay, so this will be nothing. Now for the next step, the next iteration 2, you're just gonna like shift these values right, shift these values to the right. So this 0 is gonna come down, and you're gonna shift this to the right side. So 0 0 0 0, and these values are 0 1 1 0. Okay, now for step 2, also keep track of this. So 0 1 1 0. Now for step 2, it's 1 0, so 1.10. Now if it's 1 0, you're gonna do subtraction here. You're just gonna like take the complement version. So you're not gonna take -3, you're gonna take the complement version of -3, which is 3. So 0 0 1 1, so 0 0 1 1, and these are gonna be the same. So 0 0 1 1 0. And for the next iteration, you're just gonna like shift the values. So shift this to the right, keep this 0 here, and 0 0 1 1, so 0 0 1 1, and 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Now for the next step, this is 1 1, so do nothing. 1.11, nothing here. For iteration 2, you're just gonna like shift the values to the right, so shift this to the right, so keep this one here, this one comes down, and 0 0 0 1, so 0 0 0 1, and 1 0 0 1, so 1 0 0 1. So currently we're here, so 0. Now for step 4, this is 0 1, so you're just gonna do the addition, so 1.01 0 1 here, and you're going to add this value to this value, so 1 1 0 1, 1 0 1 1, and this thing stays the same. This will be the addition operation, and it's gonna shift this to the right on the next iteration. So this thing comes down 1 1 1 0 1, so 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, and then you're done. Okay, now this is the negative value. Now if you want to check if your answer is correct, you're just gonna like convert it using 2's complement. So this will be converted 1 1 1 0 turns to 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, and like use this value here. If you convert this will be 18. So if this is 18, then this one's minus 18. So you got your answer.